Click subscribe now. You have now savings TRX. This time, a simple way to savings TRX using your smartphone. Savings is a system where you can get a return on your deposit by savings cryptocurrency. It would be a waste to just have TRX, so I recommend savings it. This time, I'd like to try savings TRX with Bitget, which offers a yield. For information on how to buy TRX, please see this video. Please check the details section of the video. You can also open a Bitget account to savings TRX via the details section of the video. If you register by entering the referral code ZUKQ in the video details section, you will receive virtual currency, coupons, and other benefits, so it's a good deal. Also, this channel distributes information on cryptocurrencies. If you like, please subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get straight to the point. Savings TRX. Open the Bitget top page. Click Earn. Enter TRX in the search box. Click Savings. Enter the amount you want to savings. Click Subscribe now. You have now savings TRX. That's all for this time. Thank you for watching to the end. If you like it, please subscribe to the channel. See you again soon.